Is your mouse double clicking every time you select and file? It's a frustrating glitch that mess up your workflow. So today in this video, I'm going to show you quick solutions to get your mouse back to normal. First, let's rule out the software glitch. Head over to Start menu, type Device Manager and open Device Manager. In here, find Mice and Other Pointing Devices and right click on your mouse and click Uninstall Device. You have to do this in all the mouse pointing devices you have. Once they are disappear, unplug your mouse from the USB port, wait a few seconds, then plug back in. Windows will automatically reinstall and clean your drivers for you. If that didn't do the trick, let's go and check the internal Windows settings. Go to Settings and navigate to Bluetooth and Devices. Then click on Mouse. In there, click on Additional Mouse Settings. Under the button tab, look for double click speed. Try to towards slower about 20-30% away. It gives your computer more time to recognize the individual clicks. While you're here, jump into pointer options and uncheck enhance pointer precision. Sometimes this acceleration feature can cause clicking inconsistently. Click apply and click OK. If none of these work, the issue is likely a physical, usually dust or static buildup in the spring. Unplug your mouse and click both buttons rapidly about 30 seconds to clear any static electricity or dust buildup in here. Hopefully, one of these steps got your mouse clicking correctly again. If this video helped you out, let me know which steps work for you in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.